nti waliwo omusaayi gw'Abaganda ogwayika nga nja okutuula ku muno kati kiro mayiga yakimanye nti ekyo ekyagwawo era tekijja kugaana kuzwawo obwalumwa bujja kusigala nga bwaffe nja kufa naye omwana ati nja kufibalidda
agambye nti asabye babawe ekibonerezo ekisemberayo ddala ekyokufa kya Kalabba era n'asoma ebisinga asomye Kirayita guidelines namba 18 okutandikira ku A namba esooka n'agenda mu maaso ne B kawairo B nako nakasoma mu maaso eyo mufunze nakomekereza.
Can I hear from Lujja Bosa Tabula Alliance? Maha, no, you're saying talk. Yes.
Kubanga obungi bwalina twakujjamu kataata bamukubya amasasi munda mutwe awaka ebyo byonna si bye njagala naye ensonga yaffe erudde mu ddiiro naye nagezaako okunoonya Kabaka buli wamu Kabaka namula naye saagala taata affe naliwa munju mama mwetondera basiga mbetondera kitange yakulira amaka gaabwe mubujja nabo bakulira amaka gaabwe wajijja tabula twemanyi tuli wamu si kyendali njagala naye waliwo ebyansoomooza ekitiibwa obulamu nsaba kunsonyiwa ekitiibwa omuzinsonyiwa pulezidenti nagezaako okumwetondera netondera Ssaabasajja Kabaka nesemanyi nga mubaliwaga abatubaka nakola ensobi okufiirwa kimanyi n'obulumi bumanyi naye waliwo ebizibu ebiri mu kika byebyandeetera buzibu obukitiibwa emundu yatta omuntu omu poliisi ekimanyi obukitiibwa omulamu siizanga ku musango gwe gwasooka naye obukulembeze bwaffe bwe bwaleeta obuzibu tate nagezaako omuntu okukira emirundi gyonna bamanyi saali mwezi wa musango naye waliwo obwekitiibwa omulamuzi ebiwanvu bisaagadde genda mu kumalira kooti enyambaliriza okuzza omusango.
Ujanua alias fake. What do you have to say before I pass sentence?
Saba kooti lumerere yakisa n'obusimu obusangusa etusonyiwe musobi gye twakola naabo be twakolako obulumbaganyi ensobi zibaamu era ensobi zikolebwa bantu.
Prison warden, how long have you had this man on remand?
My lord, he was remanded on 25th of August 2024.
So how long has he been on remand?
He has been on remand for 1 year, 11 months and 17 days.
1 year, how many months?
11 months.
And?
17 days.
Can I interpret for you before you make the rest? Is it true? Is it true? I want to find out from you, Lujanua alias fake, etu. Have you heard? Is it true? Put down your hand, I will ask you. It is true. I want to find out from you, Nachiguri Harriet, have you heard? Speak loud. Have you heard? Is it true? Not true. I want to find out from you, F4, Nakabari Joseph. Have you heard? Is it true? Not true. I want to find out from you, Mayanja Ezra. Have you heard? Is it true? It's not true. Court, a plea of guilty is entered for A1 and A2. Wait a minute. You'll talk. We're going to be allowed to talk the whole day. Well, he did not waste the court's time by pleading guilty. Considering the volume of exhibits stated by the Prosecution in this trial, it would have taken a very long time to conclude this trial. The convicts are remorseful, and indeed from the time of their arrest, they have been cooperative and have been willing to accept liability in this case. I have carefully listened to and read the submissions by the state in this case. They illustrate the way in which the commission of this offense was planned by A1, who actually held meetings at his home on different times and devised different strategies on how to kill Engineer Kakedo Bosa Daniel, now deceased. A1 went ahead to provide a gun that he had kept for some time in his garden, and this gun was used to kill the deceased. They trailed the deceased from his home in Lunguja up to Katosi in order to be sure that the target they wanted for that day was available, and they actually finally succeeded in killing Engineer Kakedo Bosa Daniel on the 25th of February 2024. As a word of caution to the general public, acts of mob justice should be stopped. As in the instant case, if A2 Janua had been killed, as they did kill Seru Nkuma, it would have been very difficult for the state to arrest anyone in this case. And thanks to the police which arrested A2 Janua and took him for treatment, that now we have the motive behind the death of Engineer Bosa Daniel known. It was a wrangle over the title of Omutaka Lwomwa, the head of the Indiga clan, the Ship clan, that caused the death of Engineer. To the submissions of Counsel Richard Kumbuga on behalf of the convicts, seeking a custodial sentence, given the fact that the convicts have pleaded guilty and served court's time. Considering the fact that this over court should send a strong signal to all Ugandans who have matters pending in courts of law and other tribunals to always be patient and wait for the final outcome of their matters they have taken to courts of law and other tribunals. They should desist from taking the law into their hands, as the convicts did in this case. Courts of law can discharge their duties after due process and in a very orderly manner as we are seated here, and after listening to all the evidence. That is when justice is served, as indeed is going to be delivered to the convicts and to the family of the late Engineer Kakedo Bosa Daniel in this case. The convicts disguised the number plates of the motorcycles they used, and even used a gun which had no legible serial numbers, an indication that they intended to hide away from the authorities after killing the deceased. The actions of the convicts directly affected the family of the deceased, as they lost their father and husband. Those actions affected the entire Indiga clan, the Ship clan, as they lost Omutaka Lwomwa, their clan head. They affected the Kabaka of UGANDA, the Sabataka, as he lost one Omutaka Lwomwa. Those actions affected the people of Uganda, as we lost an engineer, senior citizen of this country, under very clumsy circumstances. I disagree with the submissions of Land Council Richard Kumbuka that these convicts are remorseful because they are now being forced to calm down. They are now being forced to calm down because of the overwhelming nature of evidence that was gathered against them. Otherwise, they were determined to eliminate the Engineer Kakedo Bosa Daniel and leave the entire Ugandan government machinery guessing as to who had committed such a heinous crime. And we would also have been guessing what the motive could have been behind the killing. I therefore agree with the counsel for the state that this is one of those cases, like in the Bidong Zenone case, Court of Appeal, Criminal Appeal number 216 of 2016, where the maximum sentence has to be passed in order to send a signal to other Ugandans that plotting heinous crimes of this nature does not reward them. And the state has got the machinery to investigate and get to the bottom of such cases. I therefore find that given the motive behind this murder and the various groups of people it affected, the pleas of leniency by the convict cannot be sustained, and I hereby pass the death sentence against A1 Luja Bosa Tabula alias Luja and A2 Luja Noah alias Fake, who should be executed in the manner prescribed by the laws of Uganda, signed by immediate states. You have got a right of appeal against the sentence within 14 days from today. Tell them what has happened. Briefly tell them what has happened.
Kusinzira kusaba kwa mwaba government yataddeyo yekyawulira kyasaba kooti nero yawamwe yataddeyo yayogedde nga bwemundi gwa mugusoose okuza omusango bwe gutyo era nasaba kooti babe kibonerezo samusamu naye okusinzira ku mulamuzi bwagambye nti igwe Luja wateekako meetings nyingi ewuwo ng'olina ekigendererwa ekyokutta Bosa Daniel okuva ennaku z'omwezi 28 mu Gwokubiri mwaka gwa 2023 era wateekako meeting naye mukutta Luja Daniel agambye nti yeebaliza ddala poliisi eyasobola okukwata Luja Noah n'abamutwala mu ddwaliro gye yasobola okubawa abalala bonna abali ku musango ogwo gw'okutta era n'agamba nti ekikolwa kyammwe kyali kya bugenderevu kyakosa Buganda kyakosa bannayuganda kutwaliza awamu ne families era n'agamba nti akanyiza n'okusaba kw'omuwaabi wa gavumenti ku kibonerezo kye yasabye era n'olw'ensonga eyo n'abasindika ku kibonerezo ky'okukalabba igwe Luja Bosa n'Enuwa Luja musobola okujulira mu nnaku 14 kusinziira ku nsala y'omusango guno.
Found as officials regarding your case, you will go to the Court of Appeal. Can I have the other 3 accused persons and we fix their case for hearing? The other 3? Yeah, Mr. Kumka, you can explain to them what has happened. Can I have the other 3 and we fix their case for hearing? Take those ones away and bring the other 3. On Monday, everything will be ready for your appeal. Yes.
Olwaleero olw'eggulo olwaleero omulamuzi Judge Matovu David awadde ensala ye ku musango guno ogwa mwami Luja Tabula nga mwenanga bwe gumanyi gwaliwo mu mwaka gwa 2025 nga abasibe abadde mu kooti leero nga bwe bakkiriza omusango okubeera nga bebaatemula omukulu w'ekika ky'endiga nga 25 February. Mu kukkiriza omusango gwabwe omulamuzi abasalidde omusango ogw'okufa era nga mu ndowooza ye mu kusala kwe agambe mbu kino kyali kya nnaku nnyo okulaba nti ebintu bwe biti byatuukirira nti omusango guno gwandibadde gwewalibwa singa abantu batula wansi ne basobola okubeera nga bakkaanya ku nsonga zino kubanga zaali za kika naye okulaba nga batwala obulamu mu ngalo zaabwe ne bajjawo ne basaanyawo obulamu alabe nga guno omusango gwe gumu ku misango egyanaggomola era n'abasalira omusango ogw'okufa. Kati abasigaddeyo abavunaanwa abasatu agambye nti omusango gwabwe gugenda kubeerayo nga 8 September omwaka guno nabo tubeere nga tubawozesa. Ffe nga Ssaabawaabi tuli redde n'ebintu byaffe byonna n'obujulizi bwe tugenda okwesigamako okulaba nga omusango guno gugenda mu maaso.